Hey everybody, how's it going? There's Zeus with the Card Boys coming back at you with another video. Today we are going to be taking a look at and unboxing NFL Phoenix hobby box. Yeah, great things. Cards look cool. A lot of numbered cards. You get 2 autographs, 1 memorabilia cards. Look out for case hits like the volcano card, and then there's like this other one. I don't know how to pronounce it, but here are the odds there. You get rookie cards, flamethrowers. See a lot of flamethrowers and hot routes from what I've seen. But yeah, let's see if we can get anything good out of this one and hopefully get a case hit and get some good autos and a good mem. Maybe some Mac Daddy Jones. But I like the Dak Prescott on there, even though he's inconsistent. But yeah, let's get into this and let's break into this bad boy. Oh, before I break into this box, I would like to announce that we are giving away a hobby box of NFL, MLB, or NBA once we reach 100 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment. That's gonna let you into the raffle. From there, we'll choose just a random subscriber, and we're gonna choose actually the one that's most active. So yeah, good luck and thank you for taking a peek at my video and tune into this unboxing. So yeah, like I said, let's break into this bad boy and edition. Gotta kiss the box. Oh boy, let's get some good out of this one. Yeah, let's see. So I heard this box was like super delayed, so it's finally out. I've been looking at videos and man, the cards look sick. Everything about it looks sick. I love inserts, the parallels, everything. So yeah, you get a lot of packs, really. You get 9 numbered parallels. So 5 cards per pack. You get 12 packs. You can see here. Usually you can tell which ones. This one's kind of this one's kind of, oh, I don't know, they're all kind of thick. Okay, calm. Yep, good. This one's definitely thicker. These two right here. This one's, so I got 3. Oh, this one's a little thicky too. I don't even know. I'm just gonna, all right. Let's get into it. Let's go. I'm excited. Got my top loaders ready. Got my sleeves ready. Alrighty. First one. Cheers. Okay. First look at the Phoenix cards. Wow. They look nice. They look really nice. I like the diamonds. I like everything about it. It looks sick. Mark Ingram. Oh, we starting off good. Oh, we got a case hit. Yes. Trey Lance. Devontae Smith. In Fuego. Rookie card. Let's go. This is like one of the rare inserts. Oh, let's leave this bad boy out. Yes. Already in the first pack. I knew it. From when I bought this box, when they shipped it and everything, energy was there. Everything felt good about it. Come on. Already. Let's go. And Devontae Smith. Yes. I will take it all day, every day. Well, let's try not to mess this up, yeah? I think these top loaders are 2 rookie mistake. Yeah. I'll just keep it sleeved up. Okay, first pack. Fireforged. Jerry Rice, 127 out of 175. Nice. And a Patty Mahomes in Fuego, not numbered. Usually the second to last card is always numbered. And then you always get, like, I believe, 2 base and then a rookie and then inserts. Inserts. Case hit right there, Devontae Smith. And a flamethrower. I'm gonna put my inserts off to the left. All right, second pack. We started off good. I have a good feeling. All right. Nick Chubb. You got a blue James Robinson and an Ernest Jones rookie. I think it's Sam Darnold. Let's see. Yep, Sam Darnold. Please clutch up this coming season. Sam Darnold, 249 out of 250. Nice. And Scary Terry, hot routes. Got his auto card too. Pretty nice. I'll take a Sam Darnold. Man, he started off good and then I don't know what happened. But yeah. I'll take him. Hopefully he has a better season. Pack three, yeah, 3. Thurman Thomas, Justin Herbert, Chaz Surratt. I think it's Tua. Yep. Tua Tagovailoa. Numbered 18 out of 199. I'll take a Tua. And Patrick Surtain, the second. 2 rookies there. Nice Tua. Looks so sick. Let me put the rookies off to the side here. Yeah, man, this box is awesome. This box is awesome. From watching other people rip it to myself finally ripping it. Getting a case hit. Mark Andrews, Darren Waller, Shi Smith, and Cornell Powell. I thought it was our first auto. Cornell Powell, red, rookie, 240 out of 250, and then another Patrick Surtain. Nice. Gotta sleeve up all the numbered ones. Oh boy. All right, we got Ryan Fitzpatrick, Dalvin Cook, Rondell Moore. Nice rookie card to have. And Alvin, no. With an A. Allen Robinson. Ooh, and the Jalen Waddle, Rookie Rising. Nice. I like these Rookie Rising cards. I'll take the Rookie Rising. Rookie Risings look cool. Allen Robinson. Numbered at 104, 150. Rondell Moore. All right, so far the numbered cards have been okay. Nothing crazy. but we still got quite a bit of packs left. Still happy with the case hit. TJ Watt, DJ Chark, Cornell Powell, and Kenan Gau, numbered 127 out of 199, and a Fireforge Dan Marino. Yeah, the at least it's the rookie. I'll take it. This side here. Yeah, the number cards haven't been that great, but we'll see. Scary Terry, Randy Moss, and Corey Davis. Numbered out of 125. Nice. And Hot Routes, CD Lamb. I think Corey Davis got potential coming next season. All right, let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving, yeah? Let's see what we get here. Brian Urlacher, Beast, Joe Montana, another Patrick Surtain, Darren Waller. Oh, cracked ice. Oh, this one is crazy. Number to 50. And a Mac Jones rookie heat wave. Hey, I'll take both of those. Sapathan. Darren Waller, beast of a tight end. What a freaking card. It looks so sick. Look at that. Nice. And I'll take a Mac Daddy. I'll take a Mac Daddy any day of the week. A homo. All right. Nice. Come on, low numbers. Low numbers here. We got a good tight end. This is where we start rolling with the good stuff. Start rolling with the good stuff. Kenny Galladay, Baker Mayfield, Sam Ellinger. I really wanted his rookie card because I am a Texas fan. You could say that. Texas boy. Okay. Sam Ellinger and the Deandre Hopkins. We're starting to get rolling here. DeAndre Hopkins at a 25 and a heat wave Alvin Kamara. Let's go. My boy DeAndre Hopkins. We're rolling. So far, I'm loving this box. Straight up loving this box. Okay. 3 packs left. This one's a thickie. Man, they're all thickies. All right. It's telling me to open this one up. I'm gonna just go with my gut feeling. All right, let's see what we pull. Come on, baby. Let's get some good. Cam. Deshaun Watson. Let me pull the backs. Flamethrower James Winston. Okay. Oh. 1. Okay, we got a dual patch. Deshaun Watson. Trying to feel the patches back there. Tyson Campbell rookie. Oh, it's green. Could it be a Zach Wilson? It's numbered. 10 out of 10. Triple patch auto. Zach Wilson, Elijah Moore, Michael Carter. Oh my God. What? Oh! Oh, this is crazy. That's a sick patch. The rest are napkins. Wow. Triple auto. Zach Wilson. Let's go. I think they're all rookies, no? My sleeve might be a little too small. Triple auto. Let's go. We get a case hit and a triple auto, Zach Wilson. Just being very careful. Yeah, I don't think my sleeves are thick enough. Yeah, I don't think my sleeves are thick enough, but I'll keep that there. Or actually I'll put it in my this is where I keep all the hits. Zach Wilson's freaking auto looks like he just tried to run through it. All right. Second. 3 autographs. Ooh. 1 card. Still got 1 more to go. Still got a mem and an auto. Marquise Brown, Saquon, and Des Fitzpatrick. You got a flamethrower, Jared Goff. Okay, feels like a napkin. Oh. Rookie photo shoot. 18 out of 149. Ihmir Smith Marsetti. I don't know how I feel about this auto. Whatever. I got a triple auto, Zach Wilson, Elijah Moore, and some other guy, but I don't know who that is. That's why I don't feel good about it. I don't know who that is. At least it's the rookie. Might do big things later on. And down to our final one, our patch. At least we got a Mac Daddy. We haven't got no Trevor Lawrence. We got a Mac Daddy. That's a thick one. Stefan, Daniel, Tutu Atwell. Oh. Flamethrower Brett Favre. Nice. Jalen Waddle. Oh, Jarvis Landry, Devontae Parker, and Jalen Waddle. All napkins. Why? Why? I mean, great card. Great mem card. But why all patches? Why all napkins? I mean, Like, come on. Nobody wants napkins. Especially if the card's numbered out of 99. Like, come on. You can definitely get 99 little tiny squares from like the numbers or the dolphins or the logo. But nah, they decided to just, yeah, let's give them some napkins. But cool card nonetheless. Got a rookie right here, Jarvis Landry, Devontae Parker. Good receivers. I'll take it. Well, guys, let's go over our cards that we got, yeah? Let's pull out the rookies. Got a Mac Jones, Jalen Waddle. Yeah, I need those numbered. No, they weren't, but they were both like silver, I think. And Trey Lance. I'm so tired of napkin patches. I never get good patches. All right, so these are still happy with the box. Not gonna lie, not happy with the one of the autos, but hey, what can you do? All right, so these are all the numbered cards. Sam Darnold, Jerry Rice, Tua, Cornell Powell, Allen Robinson, Deandre Hopkins, Darren Waller, cracked ice out of 50. Corey Davis, Case Hit, Devontae Smith, Jalen Waddle, Rookie Rising, Ngawu, Mac Jones, Heat Wave, and Trey Lance. And then we got, well, let me pull it out. We got the triple auto, one cool patch, two napkins, Zach Wilson, Elijah Moore, and Michael Carter. Let's see. And Jarvis Landry, Devontae Parker, Jalen Waddle, and Emir Smith Marset. This one numbered at a 149. And this one numbered at a 99. So yeah, 3 napkins, 4 napkins, 5, 6 napkins, and 1 cool patch. All right, so yeah, that basically concludes today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, comment, share, subscribe to get you into the raffle of the 100 subscriber giveaway once we reach that goal. So thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching this video, and thanks for being here. Yeah. Alrighty, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.